Good morning, everybody. Drop Trader here. This is London session. I took a little long. Now I'm trying to get in one more time. We have a bullish order flow so far, a 900 delta on that. Trying to get in long one more time of that order block.
Order filled.
There we go. Let's see if we get a bounce higher. The story is that ES has not sold into this liquidity yet. I think you did, but I think this is pretty decent entry. Let's see. We'll try to sell two here, just in front of this drop to liquidity. So far, order flow overnight. This is Asia low. We've been going down. London open. We got that push. Now a little bit of pullback. We'll see if we get a bounce and continuation higher, or that candle here was 913 delta, so pretty decent. We had some buying going on here, then we dropped. Looks bearish. Might go a little bit lower. We might try to take that and then come back up. So I'm gonna stay in this trade. Buy here.
Order filled.
They took a lot of liquidity with this drop now. ES as well. So let's see what we're gonna do now. Obviously there's this yesterday's low, so I have to be aware of that. If we continue lower, I have to cut that. Basic will cut it very soon if it starts to go lower. 27. Okay. Let's give some front running for the shorts to close position, so we should get a bit of push higher. But most likely we'll hit that low. Asia low is taken. And now it's the test. We're gonna get back up. That's
Order
it.
filled.
Let's add on this Asia low. He just did the same thing. No. Fucking no.
Order
To get
filled.
up. Well. Okay, so not doing it. Not doing what it's supposed to.
One minute till we get Swiss manufacturing PMI.
We might get a continuation. So we are dropping into what? They're going to close this gap. This is what they want to do.
$42 spot 1, $42 spot 1, lower than forecast 48.
Okay, we'll play this.
Order filled.
Okay, let's try this now here. If they just took my money and run, and they're gonna take my money here as well. Looks bullish now.
Order filled.
3 minutes and 37 seconds. On this candle. Tuh. Bullish. That looks bullish, man.
Order
Bullish.
filled. Order
Let's fucking
filled.
go. He just wanted to rob people. Let's leave it now.
Order filled.
Fucked up a lot today.
South Korea denies primary dealers boycott bidding appearing.
Fucked up a lot today, mate. Yeah, they dropped into this order block down there. There's a little bit of liquidity. Let me just switch this a bit. Where did you drop? Where is this? They dropped into 63. $200, 163, 100. $63, yeah. 163. Alright, let's go up. Because it's a robbery. We should continue higher. I'm gonna close
Order
one
filled.
here.
Order filled. Order
Okay,
filled.
let's run this one. Let's see if we can run that into the highs. Next time, if this doesn't work and this doesn't work, just fucking close everything. Don't hold this, because once it hits that, it drops like crazy and unnecessary hold. Just take the loss. I'm thinking we might actually take this as well, because yeah, you're thinking to take and you're not taking it. But I also know that they will try to push this higher into these highs. So alright. Give space. Could have fucking taken it and re-enter here. Actually, I'm not gonna give space. I can't afford the space here. It has to go or drop, and that's it. I'll buy cheaper later. That was a big manipulation. So they opened, they pushed, they took longs, longs jump on that thing, they pulled everything, they took this Asia low, and now we should be pumping into the highs. This is how I see it. As we didn't go lower, so let me just measure that thing, especially that he has left that pool high. Yeah, that was the exit. It's 42 past. most likely we'll go down there and take that. Okay, we have 15 minutes.
Italy May manufacturing PMI falls to 49.2 year-on-year versus 49.3 in April.
Manufacturing PMI, lower than forecast 49.6. 5 minutes until we get to French manufacturing PMI. Forecast 49.5 on the prior 49.5. At 3:55 AM Eastern Time, we get to German manufacturing PMI final. Forecast 48.8 on the prior 48.8.
Someone sold the... But they grabbed all the longs, so that we should continue higher. They have all the longs from Asia now. And that means I should push that into perhaps even Asia higher, which is up here. Question is, are we going to drop down here first before we go? And it looks like it wants to go lower. It's just micro moves, to be honest. Yeah, it's gonna go.
Order filled.
Let's try to buy this cheaper somewhere here.
1 minute till we get French manufacturing
3
PMI.
minutes, 2 minutes. Yeah. Here order 5 to 10. Basically here.
Ten seconds.
Iran demands assurance on sanctions removal for deal with US. France manufacturing PMI 49.8 vs prelim 49.5.
So first is here and the second one is 200. Yeah, well, come on, go and get that thing.
Order
There we
filled.
go. Beautiful.
Order
Let's go.
filled.
Let's add let's add into that. Yeah.
Order filled.
Yeah.
Order filled.
I'm gonna sell something here. Limit sell. Let's say 5. Come on, let's go. Don't do that. God damn it. That's not good. Come on. Let's go. I'm gonna go
Order
for free
filled.
here.
One minute till we get to German manufacturing PMI final.
Order
One more.
filled.
Let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Well, if we push through this, that means we're gonna go, so.
10 seconds. $48.3, $48.3, lower than forecast $48.8.
Five more minutes. Mm. Oh, that's still bullish, so. I wanna test it one more time. Before we
Order
push
filled.
higher.
Order filled.
Still bullish. They dropped, they collected all the liquidity from Asia. Yeah, we might get down here and then go up. We could do something like this and then go. But at the same time, why would they allow these shorts to get out? So we have a pressure to the upside. It's a bullish formation. and the target is definitely this high here. You can even see that through measuring. So measured move,
1 minute until we get to Eurozone manufacturing PMI final.
even if we drop down here, that's the target. We do have this liquidity as well here. Not a lot, but some of it. That view up. So attack on view up basically. interesting why my VWAP is here. That's just a bull flag. It's pretty much bull flag, that's what it is.
48 spot 3, 48 spot
filled.
3.
I'm gonna add in here.
So that's 49 spot 4, 49 spot 4, as expected.
10 o'clock here, so 9 o'clock in London. There you go. I'm not gonna close it, we're gonna close maybe 3 here. I'll definitely have this. Okay, so here's the 15-minute top. Oh, we should close something here. We're gonna close something here. And we're pushing to the 15-minute. We've got 15-minute here and 15-minute there. So let's cover something. I mean, let's sell something here. Delta 100. Really? This is my Apex account. I'm gonna buy here as well.
Order filled.
Come on, let's go. Let's crack that. Let's push through this 38. Oh yeah, we just sold into that 15 minutes. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna
Order
close
filled.
2 here. Close another 2 up there. Okay,
Order filled.
let's run the rest. Should hold up there. Come on, don't drop now. God damn it. Don't drop right now. Just push. Keep pumping. Now we have trapped shorts. Okay, so we know what the target is. Target is the high of the day. We'll cover something in front of it. Into this trap longs. I'm gonna cover something here,
Order filled.
just in front of them. Because we got trap longs here. We'll be getting out. Back in the green. Well, this fucking nasty drop. That wasn't good. When I played the continuation, didn't work. I realized it's just basically a drop to collect a session low. I don't usually trade London sessions, so but now I can see what they've done. And we are sitting in a good long.
Order filled.
Cover one more here. Because this will give a problem. This will be a problem here to push through. But the technically speaking, we can go even higher. Once we take this view up, we can start pushing higher. So I'm gonna cover, let's say 3 here. We might re-enter something if we come back down here. I will definitely buy more. This is just an apex account that I have. I'm gonna cover 1 here.
Order filled.
Keep the rest. There you go. It's coming back down.
Order filled.
Okay.
Order filled.
Add 1 more.
Order filled.
So again, we have this, break and retest. This is exactly the same story as this one. The problem is that we didn't get a continuation on this candle. We should get a continuation on this candle now. Because we have an obvious liquidity level. You have to hold this. I might get another candle here. I would prefer if this candle close here and the new one will open and will start to pump, because that's what you want to see. You want to see a continuation movement. But we are reaching the level of 15 past, that means we'll open another rotation, and every single time on every rotation, every 15 minutes rotation, then you might get a pullback. So I'm gonna cover
Order filled.
1. I'm gonna
Order
cover
filled.
2. Basically, what I bought, I'm gonna sell here just to cover something, and we'll see. And if we get another rotation down here, I will buy 1 more time, because eventually the market should squeeze into this liquidity. Yeah, there you go. You got the new 15-minute liquidity. Should have closed that there as well. But maybe it will not be touched. It will not reach my. Although it's pretty close, because it could get into this order block. It could get into that order block. Let's see how this candle's gonna. Because this is the candle that has to make a move higher. Like this one here is supposed to go higher. This one is supposed to go high and continue high. If it doesn't, then we can start rotating for another 15 minutes, and then we'll have liquidity to grab. That means that they're gonna pull one more time lower to grab the flag, you know, the bullish flag. Let's see if this candle's gonna give us the push we want. This one is okay, but that one should close up here and we should pump. We got 2 more minutes. We got 3 more minutes on this candle, so bearish order block. I don't like bearish tape. I don't see this thing updating, to be honest. 4:15. Yeah, probably because I filter down to yeah. You see, that's what I was talking about. Okay, let's give some space. It might just go touch this and continue higher. Should buy here one.
Order filled. Huh. Have to give space for this. This is the order block, not touching it now. So tempted to add here. I'm gonna Order
add.
filled.
Minus 200. Delta. Let's
Order
add here as
filled.
well. That's it. Oh, and that's not good. That's not good. The candle is closing at the bottom. 20 past.
Order cancelled.
Just sell one. I'm gonna go
Order
everything
filled.
here because I need to monitor this one. I can't just trade both of them straight away. I mean, both of them like this. They should go up. I mean, this is just a fucking noise, nothing else. It's just a noise. Yeah, but I don't like the fact that yeah, it's bearish as shit. It's 21. I don't know, maybe they just want to trick people to think it's bearish. Okay. Okay. Let's go
Order
call
filled.
on here. Alright, let me buy this.
Order
long
filled.
term here. With the target up there. Now that I see that it's actually doing what I want to do. Oh. Really? Come on. Yeah, squeeze now. They really got me thinking bearish, and probably this is why they do that. Because they know that people follow candles. Candle closes like this, 5 minutes, you think, fuck, it's bearish. And you start selling or closing your longs, you start selling, you do crazy shit. And look at that. Engulfing candle. And now I should get a push. 24 past, new candle will open. Now we can get a ride up. We can get a ride up. I'm gonna sell. Just gonna sell one here into. Actually, I'm gonna sell one here.
Order submitted.
Just here. And hold the rest.
5 minutes until we get to UK manufacturing
So,
PMI final.
UK
Forecast 45
manufacturing.
spot 1 on the prior 45 spot 1. UK mortgage lending, forecast 1.35 billion on the prior 12.963 billion. UK mortgage approvals, forecast 62.75k on the prior 64.309k. Bank of England consumer credit, forecast 1.15 billion on the prior 0.875 billion. and UK M4 money supply on the price 0.3%.
Now we should get that breakout. Come on, come on. Don't do another rotation. Just push. Oh, come on. For fuck's sake. This candle is the key. It's 27 past. This candle has to give us the push. Oh, I'm closing everything.
Order filled.
Into this highs. Let's go. There we go. Breakout.
4 minutes.
No,
I'll be
keep
needing
buying.
UK manufacturing PMI final.
Keep buying. Keep buying.
Order
one of
filled.
you. I'm gonna do it manually. I wanted to cover one there, right? As well. So I can move my stop.
Do you see UK mortgage lending? Minus 0.759 billion. That's minus 0.759 billion. UK mortgage approvals 60.463k. 60.463k. Lower than forecast 62.75k. Bank of England consumer credit 1.58 billion. 1.58 billion.
Or maybe even
Higher
two.
than forecast
Oh, let's
1.15
just
billion.
cover two.
UK manufacturing PMI final 46.4. 46.4.
Into this
Higher
highs.
than forecast 45.1. UK M4 money supply 0%. 0%.
More watching ears as well.
Order filled.
Okay, so we got fill on this one. Good. Another rotation. But that's so close to push into this liquidity. No, she just do it. I might even do this like that. Limit so one. Limit so one higher. And that's it. And that's the final one up there. And we'll be done with the London session after that. Unfortunately, another rotation. I don't know if I want to stay in it.
Order filled.
I don't know if I want to stay in this rotation. Yeah. Okay. Fine. It's alright. Made $134 there. I mean, it's obvious they need to push into that. It's just the problem is how they're gonna do it. Are we just gonna go, or are we gonna fool around here again and then go? And that's always a question. Hopefully we'll push now. We did test this order block. It was a good candle. Should get a continuation. Ten more minutes. And I'm getting hungry. got me at the open with this drop. Okay, it's fine. That's fine. Somehow we managed to. That was a good entry here. I recognized it's just a fake out because we got accepted into this range. So I switched my mind into longs immediately. I mean, I was from the open I was long, but and then I loaded up. We pushed. We sold. I left with 5, I think. We held it. We got another push. We sold. We did add. Yeah, pretty good trading from here. The only thing that I didn't like about my trading today was just this. I was just too confident we're gonna reverse from this level. That's why I even add into that. And I was like, oh shit, we're going into Asia. Okay, 36 past. Yeah, it will just, it's just a patience right now. It will just barcode for a while, maybe drop, maybe collect and go one more time higher. ES is still, wait a second. ES already sold into that, right? How did I miss that bit? That's why. This is the reason why we're just chopping here around now, because ES already sold here. So we have SMT with ES. So what are we going to do? I just checked that ES already sold into that. This is why we cannot push higher on Nasdaq. That all makes sense. So we'll probably make another rotation lower. Could reverse here. Yeah, mistake. I should have watched that. Because he has sold into this liquidity. Now they want to buy it cheaper. And that's why Nasdaq is pulling lower. This is 15. It's 15. And then ES wants to buy a bit cheaper. It might even drop down here and then go. So I think I have to cut it. And just grab that. Oh, let's just give a little bit of. Yeah, nah, it's just gonna slide lower. It will definitely hit me here. It's just 10 points away. ES is on the bullish fair value gap, so technically speaking, we could reverse higher. And this is just noise, really. That's what it is. The market wants to hit that high anyway. The only problem is how they're gonna do it. And now with SMT, with ES, it's gonna be a problem to just keep going up. He already dropped like 20 points. You pay for mistakes. And that is an obvious mistake. Do I want to take that $50 and just... for fuck's sake. Okay, now they grab that 5 minute. Let's see if they're gonna push. It's 42, 45. Ah, man. Yes, might just go down here. So Nasdaq can do exactly the same, and then we can go up. Just like that. Okay, fuck
Order
off.
filled.
Fuck off. I'm gonna buy cheaper here. Was it free, right? Buy, limit buy free. I'm just gonna buy it somewhere. See if it gets that. Maybe I close at the bottom of. Oh fuck. But anyway, $329. It's $329, right? With this push up here, with this candle, that push up here, it was 425, 430. That was a push, 425. There you go. And then this is where I'm supposed to close. And now we go into another rotation. So let's wait. Let's wait for that. Maybe they'll get down here one more time. I'm gonna go and I'll just leave this here. If it hits me, I'm in.
for Microsoft to invest $400 million into Switzerland?
So ES should get down there into this fair value gap. It will pull Nasdaq as well. Maybe I'm a bit, yeah, maybe here would be better to try to enter that. basically when we hit that, stops will pop and they can buy one more time and then we can go up. Same thing here. Oh, thank you. Close, but not enough. We didn't get the entry. Well, that's okay. I'll wait.
Order filled.
Okay. I see we were in. That was a beautiful entry. But we're dropping lower now. That was away. That was a good entry. 21, 42, 20 points. So, okay, looks like ES wants to go and grab lower. So that's the story, you know, that's the, because we have sold into these highs on ES. That's why ES is pulling lower to collect more liquidity. And then we're gonna reverse and go up again. But, so what are we doing here with this? Yeah, it was easy money here, but when I was away. Good entry. Perfect entry. Could reverse somewhere here again. I'm not gonna lie. Just reverse. I could do, what is it? It's 13 past. If we get there, I'm gonna close. I'm just gonna close this. Because I can re-enter it again. I can re-enter it again later. So I'm gonna close this here. If I can get my exit. Fucking hell. So that was 41, 22, 42, 20 points. 20 points, man. $120. God damn it. God damn it. I have to go and eat something. Now we have to just get out. There's no other. Yeah.
Order
Oh, there you
filled.
go. We out. Fine. Fine. I'm okay with that. Doesn't need to go and take it. There's not a lot of liquidity on that, but if it takes it, we might go even lower. So yeah, I think I'm gonna call it at SAM session, London session. It's enough. Not the best trading. This drop here was a fucking nasty drop, honestly. I did not think about that this could happen. But on the other hand, when you look at that, when you look at this thing, like market is just chopping. Was that enough access? You know, you got to ask yourself a question always, like, is this enough access? It was 12, 13 points. And then we got the push. We sold into some liquidity. I thought they're gonna get down here into this order block, and then we're gonna push off that order block and continue higher into, yeah, somewhere here will be a good trade.
Oh, wait a second. It looks like we can. Looks like we're gonna maybe drop into this. I'd like to see this drop and then come back, push, continue higher, and that means, you know, then we have even more liquidity on NQ, more reason to push higher. And yes, as well, it will have enough liquidity to start thinking about going up. But ES didn't take that low yet. Just, yeah, poor low here, basically. That's what we have. So coming back into this analysis, if you look in an hourly, this drop was into that trapped liquidity. We did take liquidity on this whole range, 1, 2, 3 days, and then we had a drop on Friday. We collected everything from there. Now we had this drop into that liquidity. The only part that I don't like is that Friday we did sell into that high. So this is a reason to go higher, or we'll just come back up maybe here into Asia and just chop around, maybe, and just finish day like this. Who knows? The good part is that this gap is closed and we did bounce off that low, so it's bullish. That's bullish, and we should buy something. We should be buying and holding. Manipulation candle here. I think I'm just gonna buy 2. Some more here. Might not even be able to do that, but what time is it? 5 a.m. That's plenty of time. Till 8:30. Let's just measure that thing. Could use this kind of nasty drop, because that's a lot of liquidity here. Basically from 3 a.m. 3:30 till 5. It's 2 hours of liquidity, and these longs, they have stops down here for sure. You know, longer term longs. So once we hit that, oh my god, this kind of flush. Bullish. I don't want to chase this. You know what? I think I'm just gonna close this AM session. Look at it. Only 60 delta, so that's not a lot. Well, yeah, here was 40. I was still pushed. So, can get a continuation. Okay, I'm gonna finish here. We'll come at New York Open. Take $325.